Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. How are you guys? Hope everyone is doing well. So today our first lesson, I'm going to start from Alif Ba Ta. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif with empty mouth. Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dal, Ra, Za, Sin, Sheen, Swad, Duad, Dwa, Lua, Ain, Ain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Lam, Hamza, Ya, Ya. And here it says how to pronounce the alphabets. Ha with a strong expulsion of breath. Ha, ha. The top part of throat is makharij of ha and ghain. So I'm gonna follow this one because this one is kind of different, like a kind of hard in explanation. So I'm gonna use this chart. Okay, I already using this chart in another video, so let's do it again. Alif, Ya and Waw. The mad letters should be pronounced with an empty mouth. Alif, Ya and Waw are pronounced with empty mouth when they are in the condition of mad. So Hamza and Ha. The bottom part of the throat is the makharij of Hamza and Ha. Ain, Ha. The middle part of the throat is the makharij of Ain, Ha. Ghain, Kha. The top part of the throat is the makharij of Ghain, Kha. Qaf. The extreme back of the tongue touching the last part of the mouth near the fleshy lobe is makharij of Qaf. Kaf. The back of the tongue touching the last part of the mouth is makharij of Kaf. Jim, Sheen, Ya. The middle part of the tongue touching the top palate is the makharij of Jim, Sheen, and Ya. Let's do this one. Duad. The left or the right upturned back edge of the tongue touching the upper back gum is the makharij of Duad. And Duad is Rufi like you read in the thick way. And in the further lesson, I will tell you what is Rufi. So let's do this first. The Lam. The tip of the tongue touching the gum of the upper front teeth is makharij of Lam. Noon. Between the tip of the tongue touching the gum of the two upper central teeth is makharij of Noon. Ra. The upper lip of the tongue touching the gums of the two upper central teeth is makharij of Ra. Ta, Twa, Dal. The tip of the tongue touching the root of the two upper central teeth is makharij of Ta, Twa, Dal. Swad, Sin, Za. The tip of the tongue along with the inner side of the two lower central teeth is makharij of Sin, Swad, Za. Dwa, Dal, Tha. The upper surface of the tongue near the tip of the tongue touching the tip of the two upper central teeth is makharij of Dwa, Dal, Tha, Fa. The inside part of the bottom lip touching the tips of upper front teeth is makharij of Fa. The meeting of Ba, Mim, Waw. The meeting of the lips is makharij of Ba and Mim. The meeting of the lip is makharij of Mim. Ba is with the outside touching lip, like meme and ba, both at the meeting of the lips of makharij ba and meme. The incomplete meeting of the lip of is the makharij of wow. And 17 is how to do the gunna. The, the nasal passage in the makharij of gunna, hamza zabar nun an, nun zabar na, anna. And gunna is not a letter. So let's do, once we learn this, how to pronounce alphabets, let's do the next lesson. The next lesson is use of fatha. Fatha is a vowel. It is like a short a. Hamza zabar a. When you see any zabar zir and page on hamza, on alif it becomes hamza. So now we see hamza on alif, so we're gonna read it hamza. We see alif on zabar on alif, so we're gonna read it hamza. Hamza zabar a, ba zabar ba, ta zabar ta, sa zabar tha, jim zabar ja, ha zabar ha, kha zabar kha, dal zabar da, dal zabar da, ra zabar ra, za zabar za, sin zabar sa, shin zabar sha, so zabar so, dwa zabar dwa, dwa zabar dwa, zwa zabar zwa, ayn zabar a, ghayn zabar gha, fa zabar fa, qaf zabar ka, kaf zabar ka, lam zabar la, mim zabar ma, nun zabar na, waw zabar wa, ha zabar ha, lam zabar la, hamza zabar a, ya zabar ya, ya zabar ya. So our zabar lesson ends here. Do not pull zabar, zay and pesh. Read it in clear way. Zabar, zay and pesh cause harka, and we cannot pull them all, so we have to read it in clear way. Hope you like this video. Tomorrow inshallah we're gonna start zir and pesh lesson, and after that we're gonna proceed for the next lesson. So thank you so much for watching my video. So if you like my video, please comment and share. Assalamu alaikum, Allah Hafiz.